Did you know some lizards can regrow their tails and geckos can walk on walls? Let's discover the amazing world of lizards and geckos in just 2 minutes. Lizards and geckos are reptiles found all around the world. They come in many shapes, sizes, and colors. Lizards are known for their long bodies, tails, and ability to move quickly. Some lizards can even regrow their tails if they lose them. Geckos are a special type of lizard with unique abilities. They can climb walls and even walk on ceilings using tiny sticky pads on their feet. Most lizards and geckos live in warm environments like deserts, forests, and tropical areas. They need heat to stay active and healthy. These reptiles usually eat insects like flies, crickets, and worms. Some larger lizards may eat small animals or plants. Lizards are often fast and alert, while geckos are usually smaller and more active at night. Geckos also make soft chirping sounds, unlike most lizards. As pets, both lizards and geckos are popular because they are quiet and don't need much space. However, they require proper temperature, lighting, and care. Lizards and geckos are fascinating creatures with unique abilities. They may look simple, but they are full of surprises. So, which one do you like more, lizards or geckos? Let us know in the comments.